Sup cherries, today we'll be making the part 2. Well, I'm sorry, but the other part doesn't work and I feel really frustrated and it throws my finger. So, I don't know if I'm wrong, but to be fair, it wouldn't work anyways. So I just put some glue in and I put this slimy activator. Shake with and then shake it. I added it, yeah. Consider cherries this time. Very beautiful. It's like really very nice. Kind of very really relaxed by just watching the slime flow close. Very amazing, I would say. Oh, that's a good shot. So, please don't shout. That just didn't feel that well. But really, I wanna like. It's purple ice cream. Can you actually get purple ice cream? I feel like you can. It was my birthday today, and I was always wanted to try this because I got this activator from my old slime set. That was amazing, but I forgot to read the instructions. So that kind of stuff. But slimes get it together if you mix it really fast. It's really getting together. Still very sticky. It really comes off that. You can't make it come off. Oh god, it is coming off. Don't know if I activated it too much. I don't know. Very beautiful. I feel like I over activated it. It first starts off sticky in your hand, but then it starts to come off. So that's a good sign. I'm gonna get tissue cherries. So, okay, right, oh wait. And guess what, cherries? I got a Robux and I spent it on the face on my advator on Roblox. So that's it. I used PVA glue. Don't know if that's good. I think I activated it. See, I'm gonna get something. This is very full. It's I'm gonna spell that PVA glue in there. That better lighting, cherries. Oh, satisfaction check. Don't spill. You cherries keep an eye on that glue. Ah, got on the carpet. You guys keep an eye on the glue. Okay, that glue is strong apparently. It says used for wooden pottery. Like, that's amazing. Now I've activated with that thing, and I only have a little bit left. So if this video blows up, I'm gonna get some more. I only have a little bit of cherries. I'm scared because this is really, really rare. Oh my god. Try that quickly. Oh, it's starting to together. And if you would like, if this video just gets maybe one like Amatel, also one subscriber, I could get one of more subscribers. I would tell you guys my Roblox and Adopt Me name. And not Roblox and Adopt Me, I mean Roblox and TikTok me. Just to be said, even though I'm young, it's my mum's TikTok account. So come back for part 2. I really got that here. But bye cherries, hope you liked this video. Like or share or hit the bell, like, I don't know. Subscribe if you would want to. Don't forget that part called the want to part. I do the word like this actually, so cheers for the glue.